'69 Ford F-100. Long bed, 360, 3 on the tree. Ford 9-inch rear. Not sure. I think they came with 2 different types of 3-speed. I haven't delved in enough to figure out which one I'm set up with. This is my father's old work truck, and it has not seen road travel since 2004, I believe. Yes, we are Canadian, living in America. What is that? You cannot really tell, but that is a 4. Yeah. Great truck. Best sounding vehicle I think I've ever heard. I am hoping to document the restoration process. We have had this truck in our family for probably 25 years at this point. She ran all up and down the East Coast doing work when Dad used it. Pops is still alive. For anyone out there curious, just doesn't travel the roads in that manner anymore. So yes, this isn't meant to be a YouTube channel, but this is just meant to be going through her, and hopefully I can help someone along the way. I'm not sure if I said, but we've been through this truck once before. Took the dash apart, redid everything, painted every surface in here, all up and down. You ever have one of those old vehicles, you open the door, you smell it, and the smell's stayed the same the entire time, whole time you've owned it? That's that there. So, yeah, good truck. It's a 360 with a 3-speed, 3 on the tree. Super fun. These guys here. Pops has a full floor shifter, but I don't think I want to go floor shifter. I really enjoy the 3 on the tree. Manual brakes, manual steering, points. It is exactly the way it is, the way it was supposed to be, the way it's always been. Fun truck. Ford 9-inch underneath. There's your Southern mud daubers right there. Yeah, so we'll take a little look under the hood. It has 124,000 miles, I believe. There's my red Chevy. We'll get into that maybe at another point. Good God. Well, it's been down for quite some time, it would seem. Ugh. There she is in all her glory. Being a Chevy man, I think this is the main problem. It's supposed to be in the back. She's a great truck. Exhaust manifolds leak. I mean, as you would expect, they've always leaked. For some reason, I'm not sure if it's just their original cast iron exhaust manifolds. Everything is original as is, except for, add a couple fuel lines here and there. Do some painting. That's kind of Dad's signature move right there. Go to the junkyard, find the same breather, get the snorkel off it, dual it up. That's a good luck, isn't it? Feel free to copy that puppy. Yeah, so we won't get to starting her. Maybe we will. Nah, I don't think we will. We'll keep this one short. She hasn't ran in a long time. She ran long enough to get it up on the trailer to bring it home. But front left disc brake is sticking, so Pops was generous enough to give me a couple front and back disc set, and we are keeping discs. I'm not doing any Crown Vic front end swaps. I'm not doing disc to drum to disc. We're not doing fuel injection. We're keeping it the way it is. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully I can keep this documented, or get this documented, because I'm not really good at keeping up with shit in ways of recording. So, alright, I'll probably block that out. Maybe I won't. Okay.